going to see the experiment number 7, searching algorithm. The aim is to implement the following searching algorithm in these two types of variable, that is linear search and binary search. And algorithm, we have to see the define a function named linear. Now we have to see linear search with a and key as argument, and we have to open a for I in learn a in that if ai is equal to key, then return else return -1. Define a function named line search with a and key as argument. We have to see the for I in range learn a. If ai double equal to key, return I return -1. We have to see the linear search. Now we have to see binary search. That define a function named function binary search with a low up and key as arguments. If low lesser than, assign mid as option, low and up again by using if conditional check if mid is equal to key if use return middles. If check key is less than a, mid if yes, then return recursive function by binary search with a low mid -1 and key as argument, else return and recursion function binary search with a mid plus low and key as argument and else return -1. And then we should see the binary search a comma low comma mid minus key. And if we have to see key double equal to a mid, and we have to see the binary search a comma mid plus 1 up comma key, else return -1. We have to do while loop and then print 1 dot linear search, n2 dot binary search, n2 dot binary search. Now we have to open an always true while loop. That is while loop. We have to open a true while loop and ask the user to enter the choice. Enter the choice linear search to search number 2 binary search, number 3 exit. We have to do definite exit use as the input integer to get the choice value. If character is equal to 1, as the user enters the array size a and declare an empty list. We have to create an empty list. That is very important. Then open a for loop for a range and then inside it input in append. Then ask the user to enter the key to search assign it as integer input named key. Assign was linear with a and key argument at last. We have to do if equal to ask the user to enter the array size and declare an empty list a, then open and then we have to see the equal to the to ask the user to enter the array size. That means equal to ask the user to enter the array and declare an empty list. We should equal to ask the user to enter the array size and declare the empty list a in the binary search. And we have to do while loop true. Then open a for loop for a range and then inside it input happen. Then ask user to enter the key to search and assign it has entered input name key and assign post 1 as the binary search with a comma 0 comma a minus 1 key as argument at last print 1, and now else character is equal to 3, then break, else print invalid number. That's all about experiment number 7, searching